Within the last lesson, we talked about how to set up a local machine to run PHP code, because unlike HTML and JavaScript, PHP natively doesn't run within a browser. It does require a server environment in order to function. And we've set that up on our local system, and we've changed our host file to redirect to local to PHP 5 localhost. So that's just going to redirect our local machine to that specified folder that we had set up for this tutorial. Now, if you notice with PHP files, it's similar to HTML. If you've used HTML, that there's an opening and closing tag. So all it is, it's signified by the less than sign, question mark, PHP, and then you can do a closing, question mark, and a greater than sign. So sometimes you'll see it written in a short form like this. So depending on what the server configuration is, some servers or most servers on PHP should accept that, but some don't. So standard practice, the best thing to do is usually to just include the PHP like that. And if we don't include the PHP tags, it'll just take it as an HTML file. So if we do refresh this, we see that it writes out the entire text content that's available within the file, and it does treat it just as it would an HTML file, where whatever text is within the file, it outputs it on the screen from the browser. And if you want to start writing PHP code, to start out, since PHP, the syntax, so all the content should be within the PHP tags, the opening and closing tags. And in order to display text on your screen to show something within the browser, we use the command of echo. And echo allows us to output whatever is quoted within the quotes. So here we're using single quotes. You can also use double quotes, and you're going to get the same result. And you see when we do refresh the page that it just outputs that content that's within the brackets here. So echo essentially allows you to show content right within your browser, whatever textual content that you want to write out.